Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna make a quick video on installing an exhaust on my 2014 Sierra crew cab, and here's what I got. This, not counting the muffler, this is the 409 stainless steel 3-inch piping kit. It has the extension from MVP, or you may have heard them on eBay. They go by the name Worldwide Performance. So this is their Sierra 2014 to 2019 piping kit. Currently it's not listed on eBay because they are still waiting for mufflers for this kit to be sold as a full bolt-on kit. But if you contact them, you can get this 409 stainless piping kit, just no muffler. Comes with all the clamps and everything you need for $200 shipped. I took a chance on it, you know, being that it's very cheap for 409 stainless, and I gotta say I'm pretty impressed. I didn't know it was coming with the flex pipe, so that's good. The welds are nice on it, all the hangers are there. The tip is real nice, it's double walled. And to make this a bolt-on, what I did was I purchased this Flowmaster FlowFX 3-inch inner diameter, so that it just slides right into the 3-inch outer diameter pipe. There's the box for it. So I'm gonna try to install this whole thing right now, and then hopefully it fits, everything goes right, and then we'll hear a sound clip. I'm not gonna bore you with taking the old exhaust off. If you're watching this video, you already know what you're looking for and you should know how to remove it. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so I installed the whole exhaust, put a new clamp there, pretty good clearance here, and then so this piece right here was the extension that they include. I just cut it and fits into the 3-inch pipe here, and it slides into the 3-inch on the muffler. So here's the muffler, clamp, and then up to the tip. So all the clamps are tight, and so let's do a quick startup. So here's the tip. I ended up putting a 3-inch clamp here, so this is a 3-inch clamp. It's holding the tip on there way better. And, so let's do a quick startup. Nice, it's got a nice rumble to it. Let me do a couple of revs. Sorry about that, phone fell. So yeah, it sounds pretty nice. I'll keep you guys updated on how I like it after a week. Thanks for watching.